Remember this? Let's take a look at that part of the old tank. There's the new tank installed. I actually did not install the new tank. We had one of our other guys stop by and install it, but that looks great. So the screw, even though I installed it with an impact, which I concede was not a great idea, it did actually do what we needed it to do. Kept the system with enough pressure in it to run through the weekend. So here's the actual tank. Let's cut a little square out of this. I'm curious how thick it is. Fun to see the dozens of suggestions people had for how I could have stopped that leak. That is interesting. The area where the hole is, the metal is like gone. Here's a sample from where we put that screw in. I actually did not remove the screw. My brother removed the screw when they were there replacing the tank. This will give us an idea of what kind of material we were trying to get our screw into. So you can see we've got steel that's been eaten away for a large area here. This is actually quite thin. In fact, it looks like I can cut it with my razor blade. This is what I was suspecting when I was putting that screw in, was that there was just not really any material left there. Now you can see the material that the screw is actually trying to bite into was thinner than my razor blade. I just cut this piece off of here. Now you can see the cross section of what we were actually trying to put our screw into. That's where the screw was going into the material. The material was pretty much completely gone where I put that screw in. That being said, I really should not have used an impact. I should have used a hand tool so that I could feel the screw bite or not bite. Way less chance of over tightening it. Thanks to everyone who watched that other video. I was really surprised how many views it ended up getting and how many different comments. Something I love about YouTube is you can throw a video out there and you end up getting a wide range of different people with different experience, and you can end up learning some things. So I definitely learned some things reading the comments there. I can't believe how many people suggested Flex Seal. Evidently that must be a pretty revolutionary product, and I'm kind of tempted to get some myself.